Hey guys, this is John Michael with Excel2 Tech. Portable charging station for Spark. Let's talk about it right after this. If you recall, several videos ago, I did a review on a case for my Spark. And wanted to how everything kind of laid out nicely, okay, on this. Very nice, see that? The Spark laid out there, the batteries, I got the 4 batteries, the drone kind of lays in, the controller kind of lays in, and then I even have this battery charger. And really, this is what I want to talk to you about because DJI came out with this portable charging station, and so I kind of want to do a little comparison between this one and that one to that respect. But let's talk about the portable charger. All right, let's see what the box says. The box says absolutely nothing. So let's just open it up. All right, let's see what's going on here. All right. This charger is supposed to give you the ability to not really, when you're flying outside and you don't have any electrical sockets or anything to keep charged other than your cigarette lighter in your car. But this has a power bank. It has a battery. All right, there we go. Nice. Hard plastic, really nice. Kind of give you a space gray look. It says Spark right here. Must be the release. To open it up here. All right, let's see what we got here. It's a 4,200 milliamp battery inside this little box here, and so we're going to put it together. What else we got here? DJI Care Refresh Keep Flying, thank you. All right, this is heavy, so there must be something in here. Here we go. Oh, it's the charging brick. And this charging brick has 2 USB ports right here. So not only are we charging this with its proprietary charger, but you could also charge like when you want to charge your remote. All right, what else we got? What else we got? Hello, we got anything else? Something's down here. All right, there you go. Okay, the AC plug-in adapter. All right, and that goes right in here. All right, good deal. Now, nice sturdy rubberized little footers right here, so it doesn't slide off or anything to that effect. It has these little rubbers, but so that when you put it over your Spark, it doesn't scratch it and it puts pressure onto it as well. All right, well, where's my batteries? So one battery goes right in here. Okay, there it is, and it's actually turning on. The second one goes right here. And the Spark, okay, now the Spark has a battery already on it. And the batteries, I don't know if you noticed, but the batteries has these 4 little slots, gold metal things that when it makes connection, it charges. And so now we understand what these little things are all about. So now when we bring in and we lay the charger, you know what? I wonder, yeah, let me just keep it in this fashion here. When you lay your Spark in, it makes that metal contact. There it is. Now, the thing also that I've learned is that when you put in your propellers in, it locks it in and it holds it in place. So you puts it in place, very nicely done, keeps everything nice and tight. Nothing's moving, nothing's leaving, nothing's shaking about this. This will charge all the batteries, including the one in the Spark, for about 2.5 hours. And in about 2.5 hours, everything gets charged. All right. And same thing once the main battery is charged. So if I was to take it off and I was charging the Spark and the two batteries just off of the battery that is in here, it'll take me about 2.5 hours as well to charge. Now, so here are some drawbacks that I have 4 batteries. I don't have 3. Because I got one here that's 3, and then I got my 4th one over here. So, you know, this is a nice little bundle. I mean, it keeps me going. You know, you're talking about 15 minutes a piece, so you're looking at 45-minute flight time, you know, of each battery. So I like this. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I like this little issue of having it nicely well done. I'm going to address the issue about the case here in a second because, you know, what do we do? I mean, you know, obviously we cannot stick this in here because this is already pre-cut. Okay, now DJI does have their own solution to that. Let me get the case here. All right. So DJI has this nice little case that they came out that will kind of support this charger, portable charger. Real nice rubberized outlook. Good feel. Good feel. This got a little handle here. I don't know, but this is a small little handle, but good feel. I like it. Got the DJI logos. Whatever, paper. Here we go. All right, so now I should be able to put my DJI. There we go. Here's my portable, and my controller should go in nicely here. And that's it, guys. Let me see how this closes. Well, maybe it should be the other way around. Let's see. Dude, it's not bad. If I wanted to go out for a quick flight, you know, that everything falls right there nicely. I have my Spark. I'm charging the 2 batteries. I have a battery charger. I have my controller. So I mean, I think, you know what, this is not a bad deal. I like this case. I think the case is kind of cool for, you know, these little quick flights, or you're driving around and, hey, let me fly. You know, you got an hour or 2 to spare or something like that. This is kind of cool. Now, let me just show you. This is the one that DJI sends with the Spark. And you put all your 3 chargers on here, and then it charges all 3. This is the one that comes with the Spark. But this is the new one, the portable charger. I'm starting to dig it. I'm starting to get into it. This is not a bad little deal. Okay. Take my thing. This one comes out. They have a good lock-in mechanism too. When these batteries lock in, it's not like they're loose or anything to that effect. So, I mean, they got a good lock-in mechanism here. I really like this. I think this is called the Portable Charging Station for Spark. I'll give you a link down on my blog and on the description. Guys, if you really like... Oh, hang on a second. let me give you some of the other little accessories that I was talking about. Okay. All right. So let me tell you about these little accessories that I bought. I've had them for quite some time, but the number one I had, you know how sometimes they have these landing pads that that you lay down on the ground and it just pops up and it's about this big wide. I mean, those look kind of cool and everything like that, but you really don't need, as far as I'm concerned, I really don't need that huge landing pad per se. I just need a small landing pad to at least protect it from dirt, grass, or anything like that. But this one here is pretty cool. This one's called Start RC, and it's a kind of rubberized landing. It almost looks like a mouse pad. I probably could use it as a mouse pad, but it's good, you know, good flexible rubberized, and you just lay it down, and then you can have your spark land from up and down and all that regards. All right, so that's that one. The other one was, and you know, when your spark lands, it really lands really close to the ground, and then there's nothing that they have these legs, but then if you're using the propeller guards, then you can't use the extensions because you got the propeller guards and all the good stuff. All right, now this company, which is called Sunny Life, did a little combination of the propeller guards and the legs, which I kind of think is pretty cool. And so, and they have like A goes with A and B here. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. All right, so let me see if, so there's one there. And I believe the other one is, okay, the other one, there you go here like that. All right, good. All right, and then I got B. Okay, so I'm going to put this in here. There, got that. Good, hard, sturdy plastic. And they lock in real good, so they're not going to lose. But the cool thing is that so far we haven't seen anything different. But here's the cool part right here. These legs, they pop out. See? Now that is cool. Because then, now when you land, all right, when you land, there is beneath, you know, it's not really landing on the dirt or on the rocks or something. It's got these things there. And on that, I like that. And then you could just really put them under when you're hiding them away, or you're getting kind of brave and you don't need any more of the training propeller, you know, then that's pretty cool in itself. But I like these little legs they made them part of the propeller guards. I think that's pretty cool in itself there. All right, guys, that's it. If you like these videos, give me some likes. Give me some comments. Share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so. And if you have, then I appreciate you very much. And until the next video, I'll see you around where I will take it to the next level.